haven't been in, so July would have been...
Yeah, I was supposed to come in 3 months.
Yeah, it's been 6. So, all right. So we'll go ahead and we'll... That's okay, though. It looks like you've been taking pretty good care of your nails.
I've been trying.
Yeah, they don't look bad.
Good.
And I assume that if they were hurting, you would have been in sooner.
I would have.
So many of our patients can't reach their feet to take care of their own nails.
Oh.
You know, so if you can, 3 or 4 months might be plenty for you. In between, you might not. I guess the callus would be what determines how quickly you need to come in.
Yeah.
So. Was something going on toward the end of the year? Or?
Yeah, we were traveling a little bit. So.
Oh, anywhere good?
Well, New York.
Always good.
Always good. And we did spend about 6 or 7 weeks at the beginning of this year in Florida. And I'm not really a big fan of Florida, but it is nice when it's 20 below here. I'm not going to be picky about it. We had a chance to go stay with some people. And looking at your photos reminded me of, I've become very interested in alligators and large iguanas. And I don't know what you call that.
That is a picture of a marine iguana.
Okay.
That's off the coast of Ecuador.
Very cool.
Yeah. What sparked this interest?
Well, I guess because I don't know. I love the ocean, but I'm not that crazy about the rest of Florida.
Mm-hmm.
And I started reading about the area, and
oh, were you staying inland when you were there?
Yes. Okay. And we you know, there are places that tourists can go and look at alligators, and that we did that once, but we found a real kind of deserted swamp-like area that was just fascinating. It looked like you were in a time warp, and there were very few people, and the alligators were kind of hanging around and really trying to stay away from people.
Yes, they generally do.
Yeah.
Unless it's a Sharknado movie or something.
Exactly. So, I don't know. I just found them interesting to watch and to learn a little more about them. Like they don't. If you're driving down the road, they don't jump out of the swamp and into your window and eat you.
Yeah.
I, was cautious. But then also, I don't know if you've ever been to Fort Lauderdale.
I have not.
It was the last thing I expected to see, but we were walking along. They have a river walk, and I heard this noise in a tree, and here was a rather large iguana coming down to get some sun. It was pretty interesting to watch him. And then I kind of got into that too, watching the iguanas.
How big was it? Or are they everywhere?
No, they're not everywhere. The littler ones are. This one was maybe 3 feet long.
Is that considered smaller? Or that's a larger one?
That's a larger one,
okay.
Yeah. And it was very interesting to get close to him or her until they ran away.
Yeah.
But yeah, this one is really a great picture.
I had a friend who went to St. John's, and she said that the big iguanas would just be swimming in the pool.
Really?
Yeah, and they'd come up and like eat your food off your plate and stuff.
feel that one and see if you want me to cut it a little deeper.
Okay. Maybe just a
little bit more?
A little bit.
Okay, I can do that. So are iguanas carnivores? Or
No.
Okay,
No.
so they're not going to come after you.
Right, except when they're bigger, I'm a little, like, I wonder if you would, I don't know if they have teeth. I mean, like pelican, there's pelicans there too. They just swallow everything whole.
Yeah.
But people around there were putting out lettuce for the iguana.
Oh, okay. That's a pretty clear indicator.
Yeah,
Instead of feeding deer, you feed iguanas.
Okay, so
I know.
So this looks good, and we're gonna come around the other side and do the callus video.
When did you start doing the videoing?
About a year ago, maybe.
Well, I'll have to check it out.
Yeah. We just passed 50,000 subscribers last night.
Really?
And over 20 million views, so that's very exciting. People watch for all kinds of different reasons, but you can be a rock star on YouTube.
I wonder if I'll recognize my own feed.
Well, you'll be the video where we're talking about alligators and iguanas.
Okay. And this was in Ecuador?
Yeah, those photographs are from the Galapagos Islands.
Oh, that's right. You have bull-footed boobies.
I do.
Yeah. That's my dream vacation.
Is it Galapagos?
Oh, yeah.
It was absolutely a once-in-a-lifetime wonderful.
See, I just knew it would be. I've been wanting to go there for years. I have been to Ecuador, but my husband says, we'll save the Galapagos. We'll take a cruise. How did you get there? Plane or ship?
We flew from Quito out. I'm trying to think. We flew from Quito to the Galapagos. One of the islands does have an airport on it, and then from there we caught the ship that we took. But you can also cruise from Guayaquil, which is the coastal city.
Yes.
Yeah.
I got close.
Oh, you were in Guayaquil?
Yes. We had not, checked out transportation before we got to Ecuador.
Mm-hmm.
They were saying you should have done something months ago.
Okay, well this all looks good. So hopefully this will keep for another 4 months or so.
My favorite part.
No, this was a viewer.
Oh.
I said you didn't do the lotion, that's my favorite part. So this is for you. And you.
How soon will this be on?
Probably within the month.
Check it out. Oh, that does feel good.
All right. Thank you.
I'm here to tell you about Rest More. It's an all-natural sleep formula, and unlike Ambien or Z-Quil that just knock you out, Rest More is non-narcotic and it helps you fall asleep with a unique blend of vitamins, herbs, and minerals. If healthy, restful sleep is important to you, I recommend Rest More.
Rest More is an essential addition to your medicine cabinet for those times you need to fall asleep but can't. Remember, when you just need more rest, get Rest More. Now available on Amazon. Good night.
This video serves as a great reminder that it's important to have elegant, beautiful nails and to take care of your nails. So treat yourself to a 7-piece manicure set like this. This beautiful gold kit comes with 2 nail clippers, trimmers, multi-purpose scissors, an ear pick, a cuticle trimmer, an eyebrow tweezer, and 1 acne needle. There's an Amazon link below to the kit that's highly recommended by this YouTube channel. Go ahead and check it out and treat yourself to beautiful nails today.